Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Dorathy finally admits to loving Uzo. Big Brother Naija Lockdown Housemate Dorathy Bachor has just confirmed during a diary session that it's likely there will be DoZo-Ship. When Biggie asked her who she thinks is currently bonding with in the house, she simply answered that she saw herself close to Uzo and she may be bonding with him for now. Dorathy's statement came promptly a day after Uzo, during his own diary session, disclosed that he hasn't vibed with anyone yet in the house more than he's doing with Dora. And in describing her, the proclaimed handsome housemate told Biggie in the diary room that Dorathy is such a lady with great personality. He added that the few times he had conversation with her, he felt he is the kind of person she could get very much along with. And this, as we all expect, gives a clear hint on what could result to a complete fan favorite shipping, more like Erica and Lecon might start to bond sooner. Wow. Okay, guys, and what do you think about Dorathy and Ozo ship? Do you think the ship will be able to sail till the end of the Bbnaija show? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.